Hey guys, so today we're gonna find out whether it matters if you lubricate the stabilizers, on your membrane keyboard. So here it is without lubricant on the stabilizers. And here it is with lubricant on the stabilizers. So it is a quieter and smoother feel to it. So I would say, honestly, it's a membrane keyboard at the end of the day. If you can't afford a mechanical keyboard and you want it to be quieter on the parts with stabilizers, go ahead and do it. You don't have to, it's not really going to make a difference. It makes it feel a bit better and smoother and quieter. That's it. If you like the video,
Why?